Hootsuite Ads offers advanced tools to optimize your paid campaigns. Using these tools, you can do things like create custom optimization rules, build ad templates and audiences, and quickly sync Facebook ad and CRM data with Hootsuite Ads. Let's start with optimization rules. In the Campaign Builder, you may have noticed that you can apply automatic optimization, which automatically shifts budget between ad sets. However, advanced users can create their own set of custom optimization rules based on the unique needs of their campaigns. Rules created at an ad set, ad, and campaign level are housed under a rule set. You can add as many rules as you like within a rule set, so there's ample opportunity to drill in to effective combinations. Let's dive into creating some useful optimization rules within a rule set. Say you're an e-commerce company. You want to ensure that conversions don't cost you more than $20 each. You can make a rule saying that if an ad set's cost per conversion is greater than $20, then pause it. Apply this rule every day based on 7 days worth of data. Let's now add another rule in this rule set aimed at individual ads. Frequency refers to the average number of times your audience sees an ad. We'll set the frequency trigger to 3, which will then pause the ad, thereby reducing ad fatigue. Apply the rule every day based on 4 days of data. Save both rules, then rename your rule set so you can find it later. Note that once applied in the Campaign Builder, the rules will apply to all running ad sets and ads within that campaign. Let's now create an entirely new rule set focused on optimization rules at the campaign level. A unique feature of optimization rules is that you can set rules that trigger automatic actions on multiple campaigns. For example, you could set a rule that if a campaign has a cost per 1,000 impressions lower than $10, then start running another campaign. You do this because the lower CPM means your campaign is performing well, and so you can build on that success by triggering additional campaigns to start. When Campaign A reaches this trigger, Campaign B will automatically begin running alongside it. As this rule affects an entire campaign, you should give it more time to play out. So you might apply the rule every 3 days based on 7 days worth of data. Note that multi-campaign rules must be applied in the campaign dashboard, not in the Campaign Builder. Let's now move on to Asset Manager. This tool allows users to create, save, and organize audiences and ad templates, which can then be applied to future campaigns via the Campaign Builder. There will already be a folder for each ad account by default, but you can add additional subfolders by clicking the dropdown. Advertisers often use Asset Manager to create saved audiences to target in future campaigns. Click to open the form and fill in the fields in the usual way. You can also create custom audiences in Asset Manager in a number of ways. Say you want to run a promo video on Facebook and then create a custom audience based on who watched 75% of that video. Fill in the fields and specify the video from which you want to pull the audience data. Now enter a time frame and create. You can also create a custom audience based on website traffic using a Facebook pixel. Here, you can add people who have visited your website, or people who meet more specific rules, like visiting a particular web page. Another useful feature of Asset Manager is Ad Templates. Ad Templates let you define a set of creative elements. Use templates if you don't want to split test creative, or if you want to split test different ad formats, like video versus carousel. The last tool on our list is Data Sync. This tool automatically syncs leads from a CRM into a Hootsuite Ads custom audience. You can then target this audience with Facebook ads. Data Sync also works in the opposite direction. Sync data from a Facebook lead generation ad directly into your CRM. Start by naming the sync, then creating a new sync. If you're syncing from a Facebook lead generation ad, ensure Facebook is selected as the data source. Then choose which Facebook source to pull the data from. Next, choose the destination. Notice that in addition to CRMs, Google Ads, Sheets, and LinkedIn are also potential destinations. Select an account and the relevant CRM list. Be sure your naming conventions match. If the source field says email, the matching target field should too. Email is the only required field, but you can add more information if needed. Recap your sync and save it. You can also use data sync the opposite way, to go from your CRM into a custom audience. Say you've identified an audience in your CRM who's not responding to email marketing campaigns, and you want to target them with Facebook ads instead. Be sure to select the CRM as the data source. Then, fill the subsequent fields in the same way. Once the CRM is synced, all new leads will be automatically added to the custom audience.